Want to get those Robux rolling in? Please donate, even if you're only on your phone. First, fire up your mobile browser like Chrome or Safari and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into the account you use for Please Donate. It's super important to switch to desktop mode. Usually, you can find this option in your browser settings. Look for something like Desktop Site or Request Desktop Website. Next, tap on the Create tab. This might look a little different on mobile, but it's usually at the top of the screen now. You should see a list of your experiences. If you haven't created a game yet, Roblox probably made one for you when you signed up. Click on that one. On the left-hand side of the screen, find the menu and scroll down until you see associated items and click on it. This is where you'll create your Game Pass. Click on Passes. This page displays all the Game Passes in your experience. Click the Create a Pass button. Now you're on the page to customize your Game Pass. You can upload an image for your Game Pass and give it a name and description. Make it something catchy that will make players want to donate. Once you're happy with the details, hit Create Pass at the bottom of the page. Your Game Pass is now created, but it's not quite ready to earn you Robux. See how it says off sale? Click on the newly created Game Pass. You'll be taken to a new page on the left menu. Select Sales now. Toggle the Item for Sale option to on and enter the amount of Robux you want to charge for the Game Pass. Click Save Changes and you're all set. Hop into Please Donate. Claim your stand and your new Game Pass should be there, ready for players to purchase and donate those Robux to you. Good luck!